Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Sisi here, and today I'm going to show you how to make a simple vegetable pilau. Join me and hopefully you'll enjoy, and you can try even at home to make for your family. First of all, you need the ingredients, and this is what you need. You need tomato. I have fresh tomato. I have sliced onion. I have ginger here. I have garlic. I have rice here. You measure according to the amount of people you're making for. I have a fresh fruit, that is fried oil. I have sea salt, and I'm going to use a tropical heat pilau masala. It's a spices that make your rice tasty. I'm going to use a whole pilau spices. This is how they look like. And I'm also going to put, as I told you, vegetables. I have French beans here. I have chickpeas here. I've already boiled them. And I have potatoes and carrots. And so let's start to make our pilau. So we also need a cooking pot and a wooden spoon. So we'll start the process now. So guys, we are going to start making our pilau. I'll add oil. Make sure you put a bit of oil so the pilau will be tasty. I'll add my onions, sliced onions, and let's wait for the onions to cook. So we'll wait for the onions to cook, and then we'll proceed with it. Meanwhile, as already I have prepared everything, I'll be cutting tomatoes. So you can use either fresh tomatoes or you can use tomato paste, but at this moment I don't want to use tomato paste because sometimes the tomato paste gives me heartburns. I don't know why. So I'm trying to use as fresh tomatoes as possible, or fresh organic tomatoes. So there we have our sliced tomatoes, and so we are going to wait for the onions to cook. So here we are still waiting our onion to cook. And so we are going to add our garlic and ginger. And I'm going to mix. So you let it cook, but don't overcook it so it can be tasty. As it's cooking, then we are going to add our spices. You can, from here now, you need to add the fresh tomatoes. From here now you can put tomato paste if you have. So you can add tomato paste, or you can use fresh tomatoes. For me, I'm using fresh tomatoes. So let it cook for a while. So I'll add a little bit of cooking oil. So from there, you can let it cook. But for me, sometimes I just add my spices while the tomatoes are cooking. So remember, we had this pilau whole. This is how they look like. So I'm going to use them. So this is, I'm going to throw here. So I'm going to use like that one. So I'll put. Then I'll add my pilau masala. And I will stir. As you can see now, it has changed the color to brown, and actually it's really smelling very nicely. If you can use tomato paste, it could be maybe the color will change. It will be a little bit red, too much red. But for me, I'll not use tomato paste for today. So now I can see my tomatoes are ready. So the next thing, I will add my vegetables. I'll add French beans. I'll add my chickpeas. And I'll add my sea salt. Sea salt is very healthy and it's good for cooking. Also, we have the fine one for the one you can use it on the table. So I'll mix. And so you let it cook for a while before I add the other vegetables. So guys, now we are going to add the potatoes. So I will put potatoes. So today I have some visitors and I'm going to make for them. My cousins are around, so I'll make enough pilau for them. So for now, we are going to cover. I will cover my vegetables and let it cook, and we'll come back later. So guys, now my vegetables, I can say they are good to go. So I'll add water because I'm making vegetable pilau. I put 2 cups of rice, then I'll put 4 cups of water. So I'll add my water, 4 cups of water, and then I'll cover, and then when the water boils I'll add the rice. For the rice I've been using basmati, which is very nice rice, and then later I'll show you how the outcome will come. So guys, now the water is boiling, as you can see. So we are ready to add our rice. So I'm going to add the rice. Guys, don't worry about the lightening. So what I've been doing, I've been shooting my video and then the power went off. I don't know what happened with the Kenya power today. Where I am, the lights just went off everywhere, and I'm using my extra light, LED light that I charge it. So that's what I'm using to see. So now I add the rice. I'll mix it and make sure the taste is well, the salt and the spices, before you give your family or before you give your visitors. And now I'll let the rice cook and I'll show you the final touch. Now I'll cover my rice and I let it cook. So guys, this is our final touch for our vegetable pilau. This is how it looks like. Actually smelling very well, very nice. And as I mentioned before, I use basmati rice, so it's really nice. So let's put and see. This is how it looks like. So I'm going to have a plate of vegetable pilau, and this is how it looks like. So I want to say thank you so much for joining in, for watching my video. If you're new here, kindly subscribe and click the notification bell, so anytime I post a video, you'll be among the first one to be notified. And if you're not new here, welcome back, and try this vegetable pilau at home, and I'm very sure you will like it. You can have it with tomato sauce, or you can have it with chili if you have chili sauce. Thank you so much guys. Ciao.